Hi everyone. So today I'm gonna go through one of my favorite formulas. It's called INDEXMATCH. Some of you might use VLookup. Basically, this is the newer version and more advanced version of VLookup. But for some reason, it is less used and less common. With that, it is very easy and much more robust than VLookup. So I recommend to learn this one. And what it actually does is pull out quickly a number or a text or any field or dimension that we want from a database according to a condition and mapping that we have set for it. So in this example, as you could see, let's say I have 3 names of employees in my company and I want to easily find, what their salary is. So of course I could go down this long list and try to see or maybe search their name. But an easier way to do that is using INDEXMATCH. And how do we do that? So we open the formula with an equal and we start by doing index. Now what index does is actually it's asking us what value do we want to receive, right? So I have the name and the value that I'm looking for is the salary. So I can select the list here, but as I show in my other videos, best practice is just simply select the full column, and then as more rows are added, the formula takes it into account. So I'm asking the formula to pull the salary, and then I'm gonna start match. And what match does, it's basically searching, right, within the criteria that I'm gonna define. So our search key will be the name. So in this case, Nate. And wanted to search on my name column. So I'm gonna mark all of column B. And I'm gonna set this. And we want it to be a perfect match. So I'm gonna set it as 0. I recommend to always set a 0 to leave minimum room for errors. And I'm closing parentheses. And let's just set this as well. And now you could see sorry. If I look for Nate Harris, you could see it easily pulled this name's salary. And I could drag it to how many people that I want and need to see their salaries really quickly, really easily. Yeah, I'll add more videos showing how we could use this in a more robust way. This is just a simple review to get the hang of it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.